Good afternoon. Chapter Linear Differential Equation, exercise 9.6, question number 5. So question is solve the equation cos square x into dy by dx plus y equal to tan x. Okay. So first you make into standard form. The standard form is, we know, dy by dx plus py equal to q. So this equal to, you can write dy by dx plus y by cos square x equal to tan x by cos square x. Okay, and 1 by cos means, we know, sec x. So dy by dx plus y into sec square x equal to sec square x tan x. Okay. So this is the linear differential equation. So here p equal to
sec square x.
So here p equal to sec square x and q equal to
Sec square x tan.
x tan x. Okay, because we know standard form is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, now find if, integrating factor. So if equal to e to the power e dx.
E to the power integration of sec square x.
E into sec square x tan dx. Okay, so sec square x integration is sec square x tan x. Sec square x integration is
Yes, sir,
tan x. So e to the power
to
tan.
the tan x.
Okay, sec square x dx integration is tan x. So e to the power tan x. Now solution. Therefore, the solution is we know what is the solution. Y into
Y is equal to
y into
y into integration factor
equal to integration
equal to integration of if
if
into q dx
dx
plus p.
plus c. Okay, so if is e to the power tan x. So y into e to the power tan x equal to q is sec square x tan x
Sec square x tan into e to the power tan x plus p. E to the power tan x dx plus p.
plus c. Okay. Now do this integration. So for this integration, you take tan x derivative is sec square x. So take tan x equal to t. Okay. So put tan x equal to t. Then sec square x dx equal to dt. So y e to the power tan x equal to sec square x dx is dt and tan x equal to t. So t e to the power t dt. Okay, plus c.
6 square
Okay.
dx.
Now use bypass rule apply. Product of two function t and e to the power t. So y e to the power tan x equal to, so t e to the power t, algebraic function and exponential function. So which one take first? Algebraic function t
Algebraic function.
e to the power t dt, second function minus integration of derivative d by dt of t into e to the power t dt. Okay, then dt overall. Okay, plus c. Okay, so this equal to y e to the power tan x equal to t e to the power t integration e to the power t only,
T into e to the power t
and
minus
integration of
integration
derivative of t is 1, so e to the power t
t to
integration
the
e
power
t
t dt.
e to the power t dt. Okay, plus c. Okay,
T 1
y e to the power tan x equal to t e to the power t minus e to the power t plus c. Okay, now t means tan x, t equal to tan x.
tan x.
So y e to the power tan x equal to tan x into e to the power tan x minus e to the power tan x plus c. Okay, this is the solution. You can take e to the power tan x, divide both sides, dividing both sides by e to the power tan x, then y equal to
T
tan
minus 1 plus c.
x minus 1 plus c by e to the power tan x, that means c into e to the power minus tan x. Okay, this is the answer, this is the solution. Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question, see question number 6. X dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. X dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. Okay, so to make it standard form, so both sides dividing by
You
x.
divide by x.
So dy by dx plus 2 by x into y. Okay, then x square by x is x, x log x.
X log x.
Okay, so this is the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. So here p equal to 2
2 by
x
x.
and q equal to
Log x.
x log x. Okay, now if integrating factor find. If equal to e to the power
Integration of p dx. E to the power integration of
p dx. So e to the power p is 2 by x, that is 2 dx by x. Okay, and this equal to e to the power 2 log x.
log x.
And we know use log rule, so this equal to e to the
So 2
power
log x.
log x square equal to x square. Okay, This is the log rule. No.
Yes, sir.
E to the power log x equal to x. So this equal to x square. Now solution. The solution is
Y into IF is equal to integration of Q into IF dx plus C.
equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. So integrating factor is x square. That means x square y equal to q equal to
X log
x log x. So x log x and if is x
into
square.
X square.
X square into x, x cube. Okay?
X cube.
dx plus c. Okay? Use the bypass rule to product of two function, algebraic function and log function.
Will be
log-
algebraic function will be first.
No, log, I let know, L for log at first.
Yes, sir.
A log x is the first function. So x square y equal to log x first function, x cube dx second function minus integration of d by dx of log x
dx of log x
of x
into
cube
integration of x
integration of x cube dx, then overall dx, okay, plus c. Okay. Now x square y equal to log x into x cube
into x to the power 4 by 4
minus log x derivative 1 by x into x to the power 4 by 4 dx plus c. Okay. Now
yes.
x square y equal to x to the power 4 log x by 4 minus 1 by 4 x to the power 4 by x, that is x cube dx
Cube by 4.
plus c. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now x square y equal to x to the power 4 log x by 4 okay, minus 1 by 4 into x to the power 4 by 4
X to the power 4 by 4 plus c.
plus c. So x square y equal to x to the power 4 log x by 4 okay, minus 1 by 16 x to the power 4
Into x to the power 4
plus c.
plus c.
Okay. Now both sides dividing by x square.
X square.
Then y equal to
X square by 4 log x minus x square by 16 plus 3x to the power minus 4.
1 by
X to the
16
power.
x square plus c by x square, that means x to the power minus 2.
X to the power minus.
Okay. So this is the answer. This is the solution of this differential equation. Okay. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question number 7. x log x into dy by dx. X log x into dy by dx plus y equal to 2 by x log x. X log x into dy by dx plus y equal to 2 by x log x. To make a standard form, dividing both
dy
sides
by
by
dx
log x, so dy by dx
plus y by x log x is equal to 2
y
by
by
x square.
x log x equal to 2 by x square log x.
X
No?
square.
X square log x into log x. Okay, then log x cancel, no?
Yes, sir.
So dy by dx plus y by x log x equal to 2 by x square. Okay, so this is the form dy by dx plus dy equal to q. So here p equal to 1 by x log x,
1 by x log x.
q equal to 2 by x square.
2 by x square.
Okay, now if indicating factor
E integration of p dx.
p is dx by x log x. Okay, so how to integrate this? Log x, take log x equal to t. Let log x equal to t. Okay, so 1 by x dx equal to dt.
dt. So integration will become dt by t.
So this equal to e to the power integration of dt by
dt by t.
t equal to e to the power log t,
Log t.
and t equal to log x.
I is equal to log x.
Power log x, and use the log rule. Log x equal to x, so equal to log x, no?
Yes, sir.
Equal to log x. If equal to, now solution. So this is integrating factor. Therefore the solution is
y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus p.
y into integrating factor equal to q into if dx plus c okay, integration sign this. Now y log x equal to q. Q is 2 by x square. 2 by x square log x dx plus c. Okay, then y log x equal to 2 1 by
log
x
x into log x square.
So algebraic function and log function. Log function first. No, first function take log x.
Yes, sir.
So two. Okay, so log x into x to the power minus 2 dx. Okay, minus integration d by dx of log x into integration of
Into integration of 2 into 1 by x square dx
dx
and then whole integration.
dx plus c. No.
Yes, sir.
So y log x equal to 2 log x and x to the power minus 2 integration x to the power minus 2 plus 1 x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. So minus 1 by x. Okay. Okay. Minus 1 by x into minus 1 by x. So minus minus plus okay 1 by x dx. Okay, because 1 log x derivative is 1 by x and x to the power minus 2 integration is minus 1 by x minus plus 1 by x dx plus c. Okay.
Yes.
Now y log x equal to two minus 1 by x log x plus 1 by x square, that is x to the power minus 2 dx plus c. So y log x equal to 2 into minus
1 by x log x minus 1 by x.
Yes, minus 1 by x plus c. Okay. This is the solution.
Yes,
Here?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
at first standard form we have to make standard form, then integrating factor, then solution. No, 3 steps. 3 steps you have to do for linear differential equation. Okay. Next question number 8. One plus x square dy one plus x square dy plus 2xy dx equal to cot x dx. 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx equal to cot x dx. Okay. So you can write this 1 plus x square 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to cot x. Okay. Now dy by dx equal to both side dividing by 1 plus x square plus
2xy divided by 1 plus x square
equal to
is equal to cot x divided by 1 plus x square.
1 plus x square. Now here p equal to
2x by 1 plus x square.
and q equal to
Cot x by 1 plus x square.
okay. Now if integrating factor so e to the power p dx, p is 2x by e is 2x by 1 plus x square
1 plus x square dx.
dx integration sign. So 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
so this equal to
1 plus x square is equal to t.
log 1 plus x square. Okay.
Yes,
Integration
sir.
is because denominator derivative is numerator, that is 2x, so log of 1 plus x square, and this equal to 1 plus x square now.
1 plus x square. Yes, sir.
Now solution, right. The solution
So
is
that integration we can do it. So we can also do it by taking 1 plus x square equal to t.
you can. Okay. So solution is directly.
Yes, sir.
This is directly now done. Now y into if 1 plus x square equal to q. What is q?
Integration of cot x by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square.
Cot x by 1 plus x square into if 1 plus x square dx plus c. Okay. Now y into 1 plus x square equal to 1 plus x square cancel, so cot x tan x.
Integration of cot x plus c.
Okay. So integration of cot log sin x, log mod of sin x. Okay. Log mod of sin x plus c, because cot means cos by sin. Sin derivative cos. Okay. So log of cos, log of sin x plus c.
Yes, yes.
So y into 1 plus x square equal to log of sin x
Log of sin x plus c.
plus c. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.